Guess where we are? We're not in Wales. So we're in the Peak District and it is heaving. It's bank holiday weekend and every man and their dog, literally, a Welshman and his dog. Everybody's out today.
I think we've managed to find a spot with no people, which is rare.
And hoping that there's not going to be loads of midges as well. We'll see about that. Getting his top off for the girls.
Got to wear the Welsh top in England, doesn't it?
Are you not putting your rucksack on back to front like you did last time? He's a good boyfriend, isn't he?
Things we do for a good video.
Hey.
Coming up to King Henry VIII's roundhouse. He used to use these as a lookout point to look out for Red Indians. Very few left in the country now. This is one of only 123 still surviving. Oh, I can climb in as well. Hang on. Let's give us a go. Okay, no idea what it's actually for. It's going to be something to do with the reservoir, maybe. Looks like some good downhill mountain biking tracks coming down the side of this. There's a lot of people about at the moment, so we're just trying to have a little chill. Wait for everyone to go before we put a tent up. Hey! Poppy show you the wet way to do it now. Look at all these Zen rocks. Ah, she fell in the deep bit. I like that one. And this single rock over here is pretty cool.
I think this will do nicely.
A bit more secluded, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and the sun's just coming out.
Perfect.
Whilst I've been playing with stones in the river, I've come back to camp and look!
Home is me.
So what are we in tonight?
Vango Hydra 200. They might put a tarp off the front of it now.
I reckon that should be pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
Not there. So here is the setup, all in disguise. Gives us a lot more room. There's the tent at the back. There's the camp, looking quite stealthy. Not quite the same concept as rock balancing, but that is a well built little wall, isn't it?
I think this is a little orchid. I'll look it up when I get home. I'll put it on screen what it is, if I can find it.
We're raiding someone's camp. See what's gathering it, isn't it? Cat, aka the mountain goat. I don't even know if she got up yet.
As if no camping sign wasn't enough. They really, really mean it. Strictly no camping. No, that's not a new TV show. Although well, that could be a name for our new channel.
Well, strictly no camping.
Strictly camping. Well, that kind of sounds a little bit gay, doesn't it?
Right? The signs are that direction. We're not that direction.
We're over there.
Look at all the baby geese. There's a lot of geese poo around our campsite. They might be heading back there tonight. Brought a couple of kiln dried logs. I found all this lot.
A bit of silver birch bark as well. Scrunch up the silver birch bark. Make some nice little bits to catch, hopefully.
As long as it's fine enough, it should take, shouldn't it?
Well, I hope so. Well, there we go.
She's got it.
Sorted. So for dinner tonight we've got the world's biggest hot dogs. Wait till you see these hot dogs in a bit. I'm not going to ruin the surprise yet, but wait till you see these hot dogs. They are badass.
We'll do the big reveal in a bit. I don't want to show how big my sausage is yet.
Oh, people are going to say we're like Gareth and Zoe if you start doing those innuendos, you know. So, just putting together the Stormy Norman cone. Comes in 2 pieces, titanium, super lightweight. It's just got these little rivets that you just slot together. And voila! And in that, quite handily, my frying pan fits.
Perfect size.
So, a bit of oil. Burner's in here somewhere. There we go. Yep, there's the lid.
Right, it's time to reveal the sausage. Come on.
Let's go to the sausage, the giant sausage.
Giant's an understatement.
Oh.
It was nice though. I don't know if I get through it all though. How's that for decoration skills as well? I'm admitting defeat there. I mean it's normal, it's like a normal size hot dog now. Can't do it. We had quite a good sleep. That'll be like 8 hours.
Yeah.
I'll sleep about 10. Up right at 6.
Just getting a coffee on the go. Stormy Norman, yes again. we have the tactical duck in his natural habitat, checking out the local area, making sure there are no threats or dangers. Before he gets in the water, he thinks, shall I go for a skinny dip? Well, be rude not to, wouldn't it?
Nothing else bang harder as the phone does.
I sunk. R.I.P. duck. Sunk to the bottom of the river.
He's not going to make it. It's time for the weather report with one girl and Mr. Wild Wales. So today's weather report is, it's a bank holiday weekend and it was beautiful all week, and then typically it was cloudy.
As soon as we came out.
Happy bank holiday, everyone. Bonus find of the weekend. Found this picnic blanket. Yeah, it's done us all right. Definitely not going to leave it behind because leave no trace, and make some good use of it. Bonus. Still warm. Fancy the chocolate green, maybe. Sorted. Leave no trace.
That one we found it. That's how it's done, boys and girls. Leave no trace. Extreme close up. Right, we're out here. Left no trace. Left it better than we found it. Shout out to our channel members. Cat's inherited these as well, huh?
Like a lumpet. I hope you like it.
Catch you next week. We're going to the Shropshire Hills, I think.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Catch you then.
See you later.